I noticed you recently covered a story on the rise of cortisol conscious eating, but what if there was a cortisol conscious beverage? I'm the founder of Zap, an adaptogenic coffee blend, replacing that morning cortisol spike that traditional coffee causes. We've helped 3,000 customers make the switch. And you go into a little bit more about the product, but you see how you're actually framing a story that editor can now think about writing about. So you lead with their audience. You show that you actually read their stories or their publications. You tied a story into something they already care about. And then you're positioning yourself as a great resource, not just a brand looking for free advertising, because that's the problem, right? That's the problem with that first example here. It was a brand looking for free advertising, like feature me, hire me, interview me. Now this pitch can get opened and get responses. So a three-part formula, let's keep it really simple here today. Every pitch that you write, we want some sort of hook. So you might be thinking about referencing something that's already been published or a trend their audience is living or seeing right now. Show them you've really done your homework. And you can use sites like Perplexity AI to help you generate some of those ideas. Step 2, relevance. So connect your story directly to their reader, not to your brand goals. So think about their reader's life, their problems, their desires. Like, how do you actually connect that to what's going on in a reader or the audience's life? And then 3, obviously, the call to action, make it really easy, offering a specific angle. Sometimes we like to add bullet points. So like, here's some of the things that we're happy to speak on, a data point, giving them something that they can actually use. And of course, if you're a product brand, letting that writer know that you have samples and you'd be happy to share them with them. So we have those 3 things. We have that hook, we make it relatable, and we have that call to actions. So if you can do those 3 things, you'll be ahead of 90% of the pitches that are probably sitting in an editor's inbox right now. So here's your homework today. I want you to go pull up the last pitch that you sent and ask yourself, does this lead with just my brand, or am I actually taking into consideration that writer and their audience? Rewrite it, use the formula I just shared with you, send it again. And of course, if you want us to build your entire pitching strategy, we will take the hat on if we were your publicist. So we'll take a look at your business, your brand, your goals, the outlets that would make sense for you, the angles that would make the most sense for you. And we actually write the pitch for you, because I know for many founders, they don't want to be stuck writing the pitch. So we'll actually give you everything that you need, and you can just hit copy, paste, send. Hit subscribe if this was helpful today, because we love dropping real tactical PR content every single week, and I will see you in the next one.